Hiya crafters, Amy here with amyswares, and today I have some punny Christmas cuteness to share with you. Now this is the heart-nosed deer stencil. This is a 6x9. I have a panel of Hero Hues sand cardstock. Here's a photo of the finished card. You can see I die cut the edge with that really fun rectangle die. Two colors, icing on the cake and a rouge, which I'm going to use for some very simple ink blending through this adorable new stencil. So I'm just going to use the rouge on the nose and then the brown for the antlers and the eyes, and then I will move on to the next step in terms of the design and where I'm going to put the sentiment. So stencils like this are so fun because not only do the sentiments coordinate with the content of the stencil, but if you don't have a coordinating stamp that would work or don't feel like stamping, it's fun to have this option. So now I have the color Sage, and I'm doing some ink blending through this Oh Dear Christmas is Near, just to kind of tie in with this adorable little focal point on the front of the card. I'm using my blending brushes from the Rabbit Hole Designs, and that's going to finish the ink blending. Super easy. So to add a little something special to it, this is a box of bling. Now, sadly, this company is no longer in business. It was called Doodle's Paper Playground, and Amber there would have these packs of really cool blings. So all sorts of different little components, sometimes little polymer clay chips and things like that. But I kind of figured that the little holly leaves in this would be just the right size, so I wanted to try it out. And I was right. It was the perfect size for this design. So I just took that one little connected holly berry and then a few of the little red sequins from the same bling pack, and I'm going to put all of those together with some liquid glue right down on the antler. It was so cute, and I was so pleased that it was the right size. I was hoping it was. But if you don't have something like this, you could, maybe you have a stencil with a little holly berry that's the right size, or maybe you could hand draw one on, or just skip this step entirely. So here what I'm doing, I have a white gel pen. This is a Signo Uniball. This has been my favorite one that I've been reaching for lately. But I'm just doing a drop shadow off to the right of all the letters. I feel like this adds another level to it. It allows me to kind of fill in where the openings would be on the letters, like the D and then A, things like that. So it'll kind of fill in that opening and then also create that cool separation between the letter in the background. And it kind of looks like snow. So it's a win-win all the way around. And I'm working from the right to the left because, as you can see, I'm left-handed and I don't want to smear the gel pen ink as I place it down if I were, working from left to right. So I'm putting some highlights on the eyes, the nose, and then I also decide to draw a little bit on the antlers, which I think I decided to do that later just to add a little bit. It could either be snow or maybe just a little bit of a highlight or a little bit element of fuzziness or something, because sometimes I feel like their antlers are kind of velvety or something. So I'm trying to figure out where the little I had 3 of them out and I don't know where they went. They're probably stuck to my sleeve or something. I don't know if are you like me where you just track tape and blingage and stuff all around your house? Let me know in the comments. My husband's always like, or he'll be on his side of the bed and he'll just be like pulling out a sequin or something. Like, oh, you never know where it's going to end up. The joys of crafting, right? Anyway, if you enjoyed this, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.